welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how are you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell so you can be part of our fam and you never miss any more of our videos. So today, as you can tell, we are doing a green makeup look. This is going to be my St. Patrick's Day look. I did do a green, I've done a couple green looks because I've been using this E.l.f palette and I've done a lot of videos about it. But today I figured we would still use this palette because I needed these two darker greens. But we're also going to be using my Colourpop rainbow palette that I showed in my date night look. I don't think that's up yet. I think you guys will see that next week. Either way, we're using this palette today. This was a rainbow palette they came out with. I think this actual setup is limited edition, but I think, don't quote me on this, but I think you can buy all these shadows individually. So this is the eye look we're going for today. I figured to try to do like one off camera and do the other one on camera just to see what that would look like, and maybe you guys might like it better when I just do one eye. I'm not gonna really be talking through this just because my last couple of videos have been pretty long and chatty, so I think everything I'm just kind of gonna fast forward it, unless I feel like it's something important that you guys need to know, then I'll come on and say something about it. But if not, everything will just be sped through. And yeah, this is not really a tutorial per se. This is just me doing a green St. Patrick's Day look for you guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, so this is the full completed tutorial. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed doing this look. I had so much fun. Also, let me know what you thought of this style of video. I know there wasn't a lot of talking. Do you like talking? Do you think I'm too chit-chatty? Let me know down below what kind of style of videos you prefer. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you're informed whenever new videos come out. And I will see you guys.